everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. As you can see, I am filming in my kitchen today. This is actually a bigger kitchen than our previous one, and we moved to this apartment and just settled in like about 2 months ago. So I have some new things and some of my all-time favorite things in this kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my kitchen essentials with you, and it won't be like a very long list of things, only the things that I actually use every day and I would recommend for your kitchen as well. So without further ado, let's jump on to the first one. You may have seen this product in my previous videos. Yes, I've been using vegiAQUA fruit and vegetable wash to prepare our fresh produce. I never skip this step. It's important to get rid of the dirt and toxins on the surface of vegetables and fruits, especially when you eat them raw. I like that vegiAQUA is a natural and effective formula using the least ingredients. Just 99.7% of ionized water and 0.3% of mineral. It's a certified vegan product. That means if you're vegan or vegetarian, you can also use it. vegiAQUA doesn't leave any taste or smell. I don't like any artificial taste to my fruits and vegetables. This product only takes away the dirt and impurities. That's exactly what I need. It's my easy solution for washing my fruits and vegetables like berries, grapes, and salad greens, these unpeeled raw ingredients. I cook a lot at home. I definitely want to make sure everyone in the family eat healthy and clean. That's why vegiAQUA became my go-to product for washing these fresh ingredients. As you can see, it's very easy to use. All it takes is a quick spray onto the surface, let it sit for 1 minute. Rinse the wash spray off with cool running water and then enjoy. If you eat fresh veggies and fruits like a lot, you really want to stock up on vegiAQUA. I have the links in the description. vegiAQUA is available on Amazon. Ceramic-coated cookware has been on trend for a reason. I tried to carry away and I never went back. I like that the pots and the pans have ceramic coating that is non-stick but free of toxic materials. I can use less oil or butter for cooking. It's easy to wash and maintain. The cookware works with different stovetops like induction, gas, and electric. It's very versatile. Not to mention the cookware set comes with different colors. The one I have is cream. They look beautiful in any kitchen. For utensils, I used to have all stainless steel, but now I like to use silicone and wooden to prevent scratching my non-stick pots and pans. This material is soft, food-grade silicone. This set actually came with 24 pieces. That's a lot. I am only using these essential pieces. They're very easy to clean and very easy to use. The quality is just great. Can't believe that I got them on Amazon 2 years ago. They're not from a big name, but totally worth it. The wooden spatula is my favorite. It's from Our Place. You can easily find the cheaper ones on Amazon these days. I know Smeg is nothing new. Believe it or not, I have been using this Smeg toaster for over 4 years. It looks a little worn, but still works okay and looks very cute on the countertop. This color is pastel green. This 2-slice toaster works for small families like ours. The slots are wide enough for thicker toast and bagels. You can choose from 6 browning levels and 3 programs: reheat, defrost, and a bagel. The stainless steel chrome tray makes it very easy to clean. The price may be a little steep, but I have no other complaints about it. I got this bottom milk frother just last holiday. I thought it was too extra for me, but I actually use a lot. You can make hot frost, cold frost, heated milk, or hot chocolate with it. I usually just make hot frost for my latte. It works with all types of milk. The build quality is amazing, and the top cup is removable. It's dishwasher safe. Very easy to clean and very easy to serve. I would highly recommend this one for coffee lovers and hot chocolate lovers. These days, my family and I drink a lot of tea as well, thanks to this tea infuser from For Life. It just makes me want to enjoy loose leaf tea like a lot more. This glass jug is actually thermal resistant up to 258 Fahrenheit degrees. It's even microwavable. I really like the capsule infuser, silicone lid and foot cover that came with the set. The whole design is very sleek and it makes tea brewing so much more enjoyable. This steamer is so far the best one I have ever tried. Baiding has high-quality appliances and cookware. I use this steamer for my daughter's favorite dim sum almost like every day. She likes steamed food, which is very good for her. The electronic steamer has 5 programs for different foods. You only need to stack the parts, add your food, and set the timer. Don't forget to add some water. It's automatic, so don't worry about over-steaming. We have been using it for about 2 years and it's still working very well. I clean the parts every day or every other day. To be honest, I didn't realize that my favorite tumblers are actually viral on the internet. I tried this brand a while ago and I got a couple different sizes for the family. The 40 ounce, 30 ounce, and 20 ounce. It's not a popular opinion, but I think the Stanley tumblers are not just a hype. They're easy to clean, easy to carry around, and the different sizes just fit different uses. They're very versatile. They keep my drink cold. If you don't want to pay premium prices on Amazon, you may check out their brand website. I have the links in the description for your convenience. Aside from the vent over the stove, I added a large air purifier to filter the air in the kitchen, because cooking may cause a variety of odors and small particles in the air. This AirDog air purifier works for a larger space. The capacity is up to over 1,600 square feet per hour, which fits our open kitchen and breakfast counter area. The filter is washable, and the nanoscale active filtration makes it more effective and more thorough in air purification. You can check the air quality with the front screen. It's never a bad idea to have fresh air in the kitchen. Doing a quick vacuum cleaning is a part of the routine. Cleaning the kitchen floor using Roborock vacuum cleaner is very easy and effortless. After cooking, I just quickly do an area cleaning and mopping with the vacuum robot. I remove and clean the dustbin under the cover. If you mop the floor, you can refill the water tank from the side bin. Thanks to modern technology, I don't need to clean the floor manually ever again after switching to this vacuum robot. Okay, so that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I have all the products mentioned in the description down here, including my favorite produce wash, vegiAQUA. If you have any questions or comments, use the comment section down here. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!